Here's a rare motorcycle, British 1935 Triumph Model 3. As you can see there, a minute and a few seconds to go. It jumped past the reserve, which was, I don't know what the reserve was, but it's up for sale right now, 9100. Bit of history with this bike by the look of it. See what we can get here. Beautiful machine. Looks like it's been fully restored. Quite a survivor. Yep. I might not go back there. Okay, so we're down to watch this close. 20 seconds to go. No idea what this will make. Someone who really wants it, I guess. You won't find another one, that's for sure. Well, in a museum maybe. Here we go, down to the wire. That's it. Somebody wanted that at 9100, they bought it. There you go. They'll sold in a minute. There you go. $9,100 for a motorcycle. Yeehaw.